Hey guys, Seth here with ALE Truck Beds. Today we're going to go over Martin Truck Bodies Protectant and Cleaner Kit. This is something new they just came out with, and we're going to unbox it here, show it to you, lay it all out, and then you're going to see us on this bed here. We're going to show you how to do it. Let's dig into this bucket here and see what we got. So you're going to pull it out. You're going to get a pint of Sharkhide Metal Protectant. It's going to come with Midwest cleaner, a spray nozzle, rubber gloves, safety glasses. It's going to give you your rags to apply the metal protectant. And then it also comes with your instructions. So let's dive into this. Always remember to put on your safety stuff first. So put your gloves on, open up your wash. Now you're going to just put this in there and spray it right on there. Put on your safety glasses, protect your eyes. Water will splash back. And one other thing you want to do before you apply this is you want to water down or wet your surface. So we're just going to take the pressure washer wand here and wash the surface off. Okay, we got that done. Let's go ahead and soak it down. So on this one here, we're just going to do the bare aluminum parts. So we're just going to do this side here, the bottom, and then this part here. So just go ahead and soak it down good. Soak it down good, and you'll see it kind of start. You'll see it start running down here a little bit, turn a little bit white. This is going to be a really good cleaner. You want to watch. You're not doing this out in the wind where you're going to be breathing this in. So you want to do this. You want that to sit on there for about a minute. So this whole piece right here, we hardly used any. I mean, barely at all. So this little bottle is going to go a long way. And once you do this, you should only have to do it maybe once every couple of years, but not very often. One key thing you want to watch here is you want to make sure that this does not dry on there, your cleaner. If it dries on there, it could streak it. So you just really want to make sure you keep that wet. If it does start to dry, be sure to get on there with your pressure washer and wash it off. This has been on here long enough. Let's take a wash it off. Now we're going to go ahead and we're going to dry this off. You want to make sure this is really dry before you go ahead and start putting on your Sharkhide Metal Protectant. So we have here, we have these really nice blue chamois that we like to use, microfiber. So we'll just dry it off. You just want to watch for anything else that you want to get off there before you protect it on there. So you're looking for fingerprint marks, anything that you do not want covered up permanently, you want to wipe off really good. Make sure the whole thing's good and dry. Make sure there's no water running off. Take the blower and we're just going to blow off any excess water. Okay, now we're going to take, since we have it all clean, it's dry, we're going to go ahead and get our cotton cloth out here. You want to take this. They have a few of them in there. So you just want to fold them over. So that way it's going to just cover your hand size, just like that there. Go ahead and open up your protectant. Put this on here, and we're just going to pour till the entire thing is absorbed. So about that much right there. Go ahead and put your cap back on so it doesn't blow over. So now we're going to take, and the main thing you want to watch is you just want to do one time. You don't want to overlap. So we're going to start here. You're never going to lift it. So you're just going to over, down, over, down. So you have nice coverage there. Switch hands. So that's done. Let's move over to this side. Same thing. This is a fast process once you get the cleaning done. The cleaning is what takes the longest. And that there is protected by Sharkhide now. So it will stay this protected and it will look this good going through the Ohio salt this winter. This is something you can do to your whole body. If you have another brand, you can apply this to the aluminum as well. If you are doing diamond plate, you don't just go one way. You want to go straight this way and straight back. And that's going to cover both sides of the diamonds. One thing you always want to remember is you're going just side to side. You don't want to do a circular motion or anything like that. You just one motion. Same with on the diamond plate. Forward, back, forward, back, forward, back. So this one's easy here because it's painted on the sides. So we're just going to do the backs of it. It'll be fun to see this truck here in a couple of years to see how good this is held up. If you have any more questions on this, feel free to reach out to us at aletruckbeds.com. Give us a phone call, 330-933-7526. If you have any questions about the products that we used here today, give us a call. We can ship these to you. They would just ship UPS freight to you, and you can do this yourself. Something simple, easy to do, but well worth it in the end. If you have any more questions, guys, reach out to us. See you on the next one.